Let's take a closer look at the unsung hero of my bathroom cleaning routine, these toilet wand disinfecting refills. This disposable cleaning head is preloaded with Clorox toilet bowl cleaner and attaches to the toilet wand, which is sold separately. This spongy head, it conforms to the surface and it scrubs those hard to reach areas, even under the rim. And keep in mind, it's disposable after you use it. And it's really easy to attach to this wand. So what you do is there's a little knob here. And all you have to do is press it forward. It attaches to the spongy disposable refill. You let it go, and now you can start scrubbing. And then easily, here's the little tab. You release it, and then you can easily throw this disposable in the garbage, and you use a new one each time, so that wet brush, right, as the older types used to be, sits in there. No, you throw this away, and then you get another one the next time you scrub your toilet. And it has a dispenser here, so you can easily, store those disinfecting refills. So if you're looking for a disposable refill, try these Clorox toilet wand refills. I guarantee you will really like them, and it's a one and done.